Hello, this is Eric with Bang Group, and thank you for joining us in another video. This is part 2 of a 2-part series in Microsoft 365 groups. So if you haven't seen the part 1, I recommend you start there, and then you come back here. We left off with the creation of the Microsoft 365 group, and in this video, we're going to follow up by covering on how to manage permissions and where to find all of your shared tools, like your shared files, your shared calendar, and your shared inbox. Okay, let's jump right into the tutorial. So as you can see here on my left navigation panel, I'm on the groups section, and I'm on the owner because I'm owner of this group we just created. And here we have an overview of our group. So about this group, and here we have our description. We have our email address that's related to this group. We have a overview of some of our members. If we have more than 4 members, there'll be a view all members button here, and then it'll do a pop-up and it'll show you all the members. And here we have all of our links. So here's where we create our shared calendar. We have our shared document library to share files, our shared mailbox, and a notebook from OneNote, a team site as well, and the planner. New members, here's how you do it. You click the add members option. From here we can add other members. So I'm going to add an additional member. I'm going to add Alex. And here you can set again his permission, whether he's a member or an owner. But I'm going to leave him as a member. And when you add new members, they get an email saying welcome to the team. And it gives them a link to the group, and they're now able to see it on their left navigation panel if they go to the groups and the members section. And now you see Alex is part of the group now. The other thing we can do is check our shared email inbox from here as well. It'll be a tab. Here's all of our emails. And our files, our document library is here. So currently we don't have anything, but this is what it looks like. Here they are. And you can any documents added here, your whole team can see them. And that's it. That's a quick walkthrough of Microsoft 365 groups. And you can see how this can be very helpful whenever you're collaborating on a team. Just quickly gloss over what we've covered today. In this video, we learned how to manage permissions, where to find our shared files, our shared calendar, and our shared inbox. All right. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.